I'm here at the Capitoline Museum. The Capitoline Museums were founded in 1471 and are considered the world's first public museum collection. Inside, you'll find famous sculptures like the Capitoline Wolf, depicting Romulus and Remus suckling from the she-wolf. It's Rome's mythological origin story. The piazza was redesigned by Michelangelo in the 16th century, and it reflects Renaissance ideals of symmetry, proportion, and grandeur. The starburst was also designed by Michelangelo, and it was reoriented away from the Roman Forum to face St. Peter's Basilica, symbolizing the shift from ancient to papal power. I hope you enjoyed your time at the Capitoline Museum.